Little storyteller.
Sir Reginald, a brave but gentle knight with shining blue armor, lived in a cozy castle made of gingerbread. His best friend was Sparky, a little dragon with scales the color of a rainbow and a tail that wagged like a happy puppy. One sunny morning, while eating jam and toast, Sparky suddenly went, "Hiccup!" Little rainbow sparkles floated out of his nose. A fluffy white bunny, hopping nearby, wished, "More sparkles." And just like that, even more rainbow sparkles filled the air, twirling and dancing. "Hiccup!" Sparky hiccuped again. This time, a sleepy bear resting under a big oak tree with leaves like emeralds, mumbled, "A comfy pillow for an immediate nap." Instantly, a soft cloud-like pillow appeared under the bear's head. He snuggled in with a happy sigh. The fluffy bunny saw the extra sparkles and wished again, "More sparkles." More and more sparkly dust filled the sunny meadow, making everything shimmer. "Hiccup!" went Sparky. The sleepy bear, now even sleepier, mumbled, "Another comfy pillow for my other ear." Poof! Another fluffy pillow appeared. The bear now had a pillow for each ear and snored softly. Sir Reginald smiled. He loved seeing everyone happy. He gently patted Sparky's head. "It seems your hiccups are making everyone very cozy and sparkly, dear friend." Soon Sparky stopped hiccuping. The sparkles slowly settled, making the meadow look like it was covered in tiny diamonds. The bear slept soundly on his comfy pillows. The fluffy bunny hopped around, still shimmering with a little bit of sparkle. Sir Reginald and Sparky looked at each other and giggled. Even though the sparkly hiccups were gone, they had made their little corner of the world a little more magical and a lot more restful. It showed them that even small silly things can bring happiness to others.
Please subscribe. Thank you.